Welcome. Today we'll show you how to add a new user to PalmySys host and then change their function permissions. Your software version layout may differ from this video. First, we'll need to log in. Now that we're logged in, we'll go to Settings and select Multi-User under the System Settings. Because this is an administration task, we need to enter their username and password. As you can see, this new window has opened up that lists all the users in the system. To add a new user, we need to click this button here. We're going to add a new user, Frank, who will have accounts receivable permission when we are finished. Just so you know, when you enter an email, the credentials, which is the email and password, will be sent to the email you entered here. When we are finished, we click Save. As you can see, Frank has successfully been added. You can notice it up here, as well as down here. And now we're going to edit the permissions that he has, the functions that Frank can use. Notice all the information's there. We click Modules. On the screen we see a list of all the modules available, and we can see if Frank has access to everything. And if we click the buttons here in the headers, then that will take out each module as we uncheck each box, so that Frank can no longer use those functions, as we only want him to use the associated functions with AR. And it looks like everything is set and correct, so we will click the Save button, and now we will log out and test to make sure that everything we set is correct. And now we're going to log in as Frank. And as you can see here, we're logged in as Frank, and he only has access to the functions related to accounts receivable. And that is all for how to add a new user to PalmySys host. Thank you very much for watching.